Metrics for employee engagement are quantitative measures used to assess the level of employee engagement within an organization. Employee engagement refers to the extent to which employees are emotionally committed to their work, motivated to contribute to organizational success, and aligned with the organization's goals and values. By tracking metrics for employee engagement, organizations can identify areas for improvement, measure the effectiveness of engagement initiatives, and make data driven decisions to enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and retention. Now, let's discuss some important employee engagement metrics in details. Employee engagement surveys. Employee engagement surveys are a common method for measuring employee engagement levels within an organization. These surveys typically include questions related to job satisfaction, organizational commitment, work-life balance, communication, recognition, and opportunities for growth and development. Key metrics derived from engagement surveys may include overall engagement scores, satisfaction ratings for different aspects of work and organizational culture, and responses to specific survey items or questions. Retention rates. Retention rates measure the percentage of employees who remain with the organization over a specific period. High retention rates are indicative of a positive work environment, strong employee engagement, and effective talent management practices. Key retention metrics may include overall turnover rates, voluntary turnover rates, that is, the rate of employees leaving the organization voluntarily, involuntary turnover rates, that is, the ratio of employees leaving the organization involuntarily, and turnover rates by department or demographic groups. Employee Net Promoter Score (ENPS). Employee Net Promoter Score is a metric used to measure employee loyalty and advocacy by asking employees how likely they are to recommend the organization as a place to work to friends or colleagues. Employees are typically asked to rate their likelihood to recommend on a scale of 0 to 10. Employee Net Promoter Score is calculated by subtracting the percentage of detractors. Detractors are employees who rate their likelihood to recommend from 0 to 6 from the percentage of promoters. Promoters are the employees who rate the likelihood to recommend from 9 to 10. The resulting score provides insight into overall employee satisfaction and loyalty. Performance metrics. Performance metrics can also provide insight into employee engagement levels. Employees who are highly engaged are more likely to perform at high levels and achieve their goals. Therefore, performance metrics such as productivity, quality of work, customer satisfaction ratings, and achievement of key performance indicators can serve as indicator of engagement. Organizations may track performance metrics at the individual, team, departmental, and organizational level to assess the overall impact of employee engagement on business outcome. Employee feedback and recognition. Metrics related to employee feedback and recognition can provide valuable insights into employee engagement levels. This includes metrics such as the frequency and volume of employee feedback, participation rates in feedback mechanisms, for example, suggestion boxes and employee forums, and the number of recognition awards or programs implemented. High levels of employee feedback and participation in recognition programs are indicative of a culture that values employee voice, contribution, and appreciation, which are key drivers of engagement. Absenteeism and presenteeism rates. Absenteeism refers to the rate at which employees are absent from work, while presenteeism refers to the phenomena of employees being present at work but not fully engaged or productive. Monitoring absenteeism and presenteeism rates can provide insights into employee well-being, job satisfaction, and engagement level. High rates of absenteeism or presenteeism may indicate underlying issues related to job dissatisfaction, stress, or burnout, which can negatively impact employee engagement and productivity.